meeting you here in my living room.
Merry Christmas!
Hi, welcome to Vlogmas Day! I, if you could not tell, am back in my home. And I'm very excited about it. I had a great vacation. I think you've probably figured out by now. I didn't do anything at all with my life over the last 3 days. So I just kind of crammed everything into one vlog because I was like, nothing's happening, you know, like, and that's what I wanted when we were booking vacation for my birthday or a trip for my birthday. I was like, I just want to not have to use my brain. I just want to not have to think about anything. I just want to be able to like sit in the silence with just the sound of the waves and just chill. And that's what I did. So it was lovely. I did. Ooh, hello, it's early. It's okay. We're gonna get at it later. I'm in my home, all right? You're the freak here. It's fine. Traveling was all Gucci. Everything was fine, so that was nice. We had the cutest taxi driver in the world, or she was an Uber driver. She asked if somebody could sit in the front, and I said, oh yeah, no problem. So I sit in the front, and she was like kind of apologizing for how long it had like taken to get through the gates of like our hotel. It just like takes a while because they like need to check everybody in and like take your license plate and like call, and it's just a whole thing. So she was apologizing for it, and I was like, oh no, like I was like, it's no problemo, mucho tiempo. Like I'm like, that's what I mean. I don't speak Spanish, but I was like, I know words that I can usually, I just like say them, and for the most part we all kind of get by. Again, I think I'm better at the comprehension portion of Spanish, but she was like, oh no, and I was like, yes, no problem at all, like we have plenty of time, like I'm not bothered. And she was like, oh, what time does your plane leave? And I told her 6:38, and she was like, oh no, because it was like 4 basically when she was picking us up, and she literally like, I'm gonna pray for you. she was like, oh Dios, like, and she was like, and I was like, no, I'm not bothered, it's okay. But I realized like after I said it, I was like, I think, I could be wrong. That's the thing. I could, saying this could not have been the case, but I was like, oh. The thing is, most people, I'm pretty sure, outside of the US, use military time. And so if I'm saying 6:38, what I'm telling you is 4:38, which is why you're like, how do you think we're gonna get to the airport and you on a plane in the next 40 minutes? And I was like, I realized it as I was sitting there, but I was like, I have no idea how to tell you this. And so she was talking to me about other stuff. I don't remember. Oh, she was very nice. She was like, oh, do you want yeah, we were just chit-chatting. She offered me some gum, and I was like, oh, thank you. And I was like, sorry, I had mucho café before this. And I think she laughed on herself. I don't think she was telling me, but I was still like, my bad, dog, just in case. But she was like, oh, do you want more gum? She was like, would you like another piece for the plane so that your ear, like when your ears pop when you go on? And I was like, oh, that's so nice. I was like, it's fine. I just like, and I like made like I was just like opening my jaw. And she was like, oh no, I prefer, so anyways, I just like retelling you a story that isn't really getting anywhere, but she was the cutest lady. I'm just saying, it was very motherly to offer me more gum. And she was like, eventually I showed her my boarding pass on my phone that had the time, and she was like, oh, okay. And she was like saying that she was getting hot, and I was like, I'm so sorry. Lo siento para caliente. Because she was like, oh, I was getting so nervous, and I didn't know how to say like heart attack. I was like, corazón rápido. Like I was like that. I had no words for that, so I didn't even try that one. I was like, that can get weird, so I'll just leave this alone. But anyways, she's very cute. We just hung out, like, I don't know, everything, like, it was the smoothest check into an airport because it wasn't a big airport, so we literally just like walked through, and that was that, and it was beautiful. Everybody on the plane was nice, so that was also nice. Everything was a great time. So I'm back. Thor is very excited to have us. He's on the couch living his life for the most part. This morning I kind of just want to get my life together. I have hella laundry going right now. I just want to eat some vegetables and like make some food for my own house and like just put everything away, like just unpack all my suitcases and stuff. Like, and by suitcases I mean the tiny carry-on that I brought. But I just want to kind of get my life together is what I'm saying. So we're gonna do that for this morning, and then later tonight we're gonna celebrate. My birthday's the whole month. Hi, welcome to Vlogmas, aka Birthday Miss para Lauren.
So are you just so happy that we are back and we're gonna spend the whole day together?
the whole day until 7 p.m. that is. But because I was trying to hang out with Thor so that he was not sad and concerned that I was leaving him again, I may or may not have just Instacarted some groceries. So I got some lettuce because I think I'm just gonna make a big salad to like eat throughout the week. So I have these zucchini that seem to have held up, which is cool because I did not think they would at all. But I'm gonna do like lettuce, maybe some like grilled zucchini. By grilled, I mean air fried. I think I also am just gonna make some lentils to put in there. I was also going to hard boil a couple eggs, which I know people are like, feel very strongly about eggs, but I'm an egg lady. I love a hard-boiled egg on a salad. For a little more protein with the lentils. The only other thing in my fridge, literally, I have some low-fat milk and then just like condiments. That's literally all that's in our fridge right now. I have a couple carrots that I need to use as well. So with these, I think I'm gonna make like kind of a tofu bowl. I looked up a recipe from Chrissy Teigen. I will put it below, but she in the recipe used like vegan, like fake chicken, and I'm just gonna use tofu because that was easier to order on Instacart. But I got some scallions and some, ooh, I got a lot of kale. I didn't really know how much like greens because she was putting everything in ounces and I was like, I don't like in the recipe and I was like, I don't know how to order this. How do I order kale in ounces? But I got apparently the tiniest head of broccoli in the world. That's okay. And then 2 little baby bok choys, which very clearly need to be washed. All natural, baby. And then a lemon. And then just the tofu. What I would like to do for right now is just get everything washed, get like my tofu pressing, boil the eggs, like just kind of start prepping everything so that I can just throw the salad together when I'm hungry, and tonight just like make everything before we go, because I mean like I don't know, the food at the resort was good. One of the reasons we picked it was because the reviews were saying that it was good. It wasn't like mind-blowing. Actually there was 2 things that I had there that I was like, this is delicious, but I think a large part of that was because it was like fruit. Like I had this like watermelon and beet salad that I was like, this is honestly amazing, and I ordered it twice. She wanted to try everything, but also it was so good. So, but I just am like kind of craving just like cooking meals at home. You know, it just feels a little more nourishing, and that's all that I'm looking for. So appreciate the time. It was a great time, but also same thing with like alcohol, dude. I have no desire for alcohol. Like, for my birthday celebration that we're doing today, it's going to be a little more chill than the last one, but I wanted to hit all the areas. I'm just going to go with my improv friends. It was between going to Voice Box, which is like a karaoke room, so like you could just rent out the room with all your friends and do karaoke, which is really fun. But I was like, after this weekend, I was like, I am just so exhausted, and I had kind of initially planned to like not leave the house at all today, but today's the only day that we could all do an improv celebration, so I was like, I'll just do it, it'll be fun. But I was like, if we go to Voice Box, we're just gonna be like drinking and just like sitting in a room, and I'm gonna be like, I just have no desire for any more alcohol. I'm like, I just want to eat some vegetables, drink some water, and like, I don't know, man.
Tried to see put the TV on, but it was the one that I can't turn off. Sam and Diane get together again, but they part in the end. I hate that ending. I think that I get what you meant. I still can't sleep, and I don't like how you left it. It's my luck that you're still wide awake, and I know without a word that you're probably on your way. You came in with your head held down.
I've been working on this stand-up set. Basically going to say something, it's obviously still in the works, but I'm gonna say something about how like a lot of the songs that I learned, like pop culture songs, you learn them but with different words because they're made to be religious. And for the last probably half an hour, Iris and I have just been sending voice notes back and forth that sound like this.
I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% a Christian, love God. Oops, I did it again. I rose from the dead.
should just have you
I'm still, yeah, I got the Holy Spirit. That's the problem with me. I'm still a Christian. I still love Jesus, and I repent tonight.
And yeah, this is what I do for work. Hi. Hi. I'm doing a show later this month, which I'm very excited about. I didn't know for sure if I would get in because basically, like, long story short, my friend sent me this, like an open casting call essentially for a comedy, like, talent show. It's like a holiday talent show. And he was like, hey, I think you could, like, come up with a character or, like, send something in for this. And I was like, thank you so much for thinking of me. And so I was like, yeah, I should come up with something because you have to submit your idea. And I was like, yeah, I gotta come up with something. And it was like, it was just at a very busy time when all this was happening. So yeah, Thor, do you love this story? Anyway, and so I was like, well, I took a stand-up class, and in that class, one of the weeks, like every week you had to do a different like style of comedy basically, or style of stand-up. And so one week we had alternative comedy, which is basically just anything that isn't traditional stand-up in the sense of like setup, punchline, setup. I was like, dude, this is not for me. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And what I ended up doing was I wrote a fan fiction that is essentially the Founding Fathers, but it's the plot line to the Fast and Furious movies. Is it for everybody? No, but I thought it was funny. So I was like, well, I do have this already written, and like, because what I did was I bought like a little diary and I come out really serious. And I'm like, hi, my name is Lauren. And today I'm going to read for you an excerpt from my fictionalized fan essay. And then I drop the key. Like there's like a diary with like a lock and key, and like I drop the key and make a big deal about getting into the diary. And then I read that, and the goal is to have it be clear that it was, when I did it with Founding Fathers, what it was the Founding Fathers, but then have it slowly reveal that this is clearly the plot to the Fast and Furious movies. And so I was like, well, I already have all the pieces. Like, I could just do this, but a holiday version. Like, I didn't get to do it for anybody either, because like I just did it in my class. Like, it's not like this was a part of a show. Like, I've never done it before. And I was like, well, maybe I'll just like submit it. I was like, I don't have anything to lose by just submitting the idea. So I submitted the idea and they selected me, which is cool. So I'm very excited about it. But what we're gonna do now is I really need to edit Vlogmas because I haven't gotten it up for today still. So I'm going to do that really quick. It's about 3:20 right now. Beyond that, all I really have to do is finish unpacking all my makeup stuff, finish putting away all my clean laundry, and I think we'll be on our way to mini golf. So, hi, happy Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas.
Your chin like a face mask. You think it's strange how you don't talk back, like you ended the discussion in your head with a comeback. If it's easier to stay in my place, we can move to the sofa and remember how the dance goes. Where you refuse to let the night die quiet, in the morning is a hurry, getting tangled in your work clothes. That's just how it goes.
Desperately care. Everybody is very concerned about what we're doing right now. Have you ever even heard of Vlogmas? Are you even a part of my life, Ira?
Action!
We're gonna go miniature golfing. Once I can figure out where X300B is, it's not this one, it's the next.
Nah, you gotta get over it, baby. There you go. There
World's
you go.
my oyster in this Tesla with a new tire. Woo! Didn't do it ourselves, but we could have. I just was on a time crunch.
Yeah.
And also it was stupid. So.
It was very
I'd say it was a better use of our time ignoring it. 300B! Does anyone else have anything to say?
I think that covers it.
Oh, I have something to say.
Oh.
I really like Grace Ives, if anyone cares.
You like what?
This singer.
Oh.
And there's a part of this song that we're gonna wait for. I think it comes up pretty soon. It's very important everybody knows. Everybody in this car and everybody on the internet. on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or I've never heard anything hotter in my life.
You want to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I want
her?
a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was like,
Oh, they're talking about high fives, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
with the Lord.
She's sick.
That's a really
so sick.
You said it was easy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Call me when you need me. I don't wanna see it's easy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Do it on your mind still, never do it I still. Oh, you should never see that I don't wanna fight it. Don't let when I ride, it's easy, yeah, for me. To leave it all behind when nobody's around still. When I feel alive, I never know if I'm honestly going overboard. Never get around, always laying low. You just run around, acting like I don't. Fight like I can't change my mistakes. Leave all the shit you don't behind. Love life don't make sense, but you said it was easy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Call me when you need me. I don't wanna speak, it's easy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Do it on your mind still, never do it I still. Oh, you should never see that I don't wanna fight it. Don't know when I ride, it's easy, yeah, for me. To leave it all behind when nobody's around still. Want a minute now, I don't want a minute now. I don't want a second of your time still. On and off again, we don't want it complicated, but I just got questions, let me ask them. Just like who was seeing, who was hearing, do they love you too? Is it me that